Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Wells Fargo bank to the Rocket Money app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and start keeping track of your budgeting and finances, but your banking is on Wells Fargo. How do you actually go ahead and connect it to the Rocket Money app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, let's hop onto the Rocket Money app. Now, once you're logged in, you want to go ahead and click on the gear icon on the upper left-hand corner. From here, you want to go ahead and click on linked accounts, and then you want to go ahead and click on add institution. Once you click on add institution, you're going to see that there's an option to click on Wells Fargo Bank. Click on Wells Fargo Bank, and then it's going to redirect you to something called Plaid. Plaid is what Rocket Money uses to connect your bank to Rocket Money. It connects it in seconds, and it also keeps your data safe. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect Wells Fargo with Rocket Money. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.